Hello students, in yesterday's video we have learned about the digestive system. In the digestive system, what is the meaning of digestive system and from where it will start, means from mouth it will start, and regarding the mouth we have discussed in yesterday's video. So in this video, today's video, we are going to learn about the food pipe or esophagus and the stomach also. So let us understand about the food pipe or esophagus. So we can see here the digestive system process, it will start from here, means mouth. After that, in the mouth, yesterday I have explained you, we will achieve that with the help of our teeth and tongue also. Okay, means the tongue will help to swallow and taste. Okay students, here after that, after chewing, we will swallow the food. Okay, that food, it will enter through this esophagus. This is called esophagus. Okay, about this we will learn today. Okay students, here the chewed and swallowed food enters the food pipe or esophagus. Here after entering the food into the mouth, we will chew that and we will swallow. That swallowed food enters the food pipe, or we can say it as a esophagus. Okay students, the esophagus is a long muscular tube. Already I told you in new words, it is a long muscular tube that joins the mouth to the stomach. Here mouth is there, from mouth to stomach it will joint. Through this, the food is moved downwards into the stomach by the muscular movement of the esophagus. Here the muscular, with the help of the muscular movement of this esophagus, the food will enter to the stomach. So here it will come and it will reach here. This muscular movement helps in the downward movement of the food even when we are upside down. Here this will help to move to the stomach. Okay students, I hope you understood this one. This is the work of this food pipe or esophagus. Okay students, now let us see, after that from the mouth it will enter to the stomach through esophagus, the food. Okay, after that where it will goes, it will reach to the stomach. So let us study about the stomach. Okay, you can see here, this is the stomach. Okay, the food reaches to the stomach. So in stomach, the stomach, what is the stomach? Let us see first. The stomach is a large sac-like organ. In the stomach, the food gets mixed with digestive juices that help in breaking down the food into thick paste, which moves further into the small intestine. Here in the stomach, we can see that the food gets mixed with digestive juices that help in breaking down the food into thick paste, which moves further into the small intestine. Here the process in the stomach, we will say it as some juices are there, that is called digestive juices. They help in the breaking down the food into thick paste. It becomes like a paste. After that we will swallow, no? In stomach it will becomes like a thick paste which moves after this from the stomach. Where it will goes, it moves to the small intestine. Okay students, now let's see in small intestine what will happens. Here now let us study about the small intestine. From the stomach, the food enters the small intestine. After that, the stomach, first it will enter to the mouth, then the esophagus. With the help of the esophagus, it will enter to the stomach, and after the stomach, in the stomach again we can see that the food will enters to the small intestine. From the stomach, the food enters the small intestine, which is approximately 6 meters long. This is the size of the small intestine, approximately. Okay, and it is 6 meters long, narrow and coiled tube. It is looking like tube, coiled tube. Here some more digestive juices from the liver and pancreas mix with the food. In this process, here some digestive juices are there. They will secrete from the liver and pancreas. They will mix with the food. The small intestine also absorbs most of the nutrients from the digested food, and undigested food then moves on to the large intestine. Here again some food is remaining which is undigested. That undigested food again it is moved to the large intestine. This is the work of the small intestine. Okay, means in small intestine we can see that some digestive juices are there. With the help of their digestive juices, the food will become, it will digested. Again undigested food, it will move to the large intestine. Now let us see what will happen in the large intestine. You can see here in the large intestine. In large intestine, water from the undigested food is reabsorbed. The water from the undigested food is again reabsorbed here, and the solid waste is removed from the body through the anus as a feces. So again the waste means the removal, it will removed from the body through the anus. So we can see that here the process will start from the here mouth. When we will eat something, we will chew, and the tongue and the salivary glands, they will help us. It becomes, the food becomes wet, okay, and soft also. If it is becomes wet and soft, then we will swallow that, and the swallowed food comes through esophagus to the stomach. Again in stomach, the food will digest there. Again undigested food, again here it will goes from the stomach, it will goes to the small intestine. And in the stomach again we can see that liver and pancreas, they will also secrete some juices. They are very helpful. Again in next part we are going to learn that one, and it will goes to small intestine. After that it will comes to the large intestine. Okay, let us see about the liver and pancreas now. You can see here liver and pancreas means in digestive system, what is the work of, means what is the role of liver and pancreas. Let us see that. The liver and pancreas also play an important role in the process of digestion. See here, in the process of digestion, the liver and pancreas, they also play very important role. The liver filters harmful substances from the blood and produces bile juice. This we have to remember. Liver, it will produces the bile juice, okay, and it will filters harmful substances from the blood also. And the pancreas, it will produce the pancreatic juice. Pancreas will produce the pancreatic juice, and liver will produce bile juice. This we have to remember. And this pancreatic juice will help in digestion of carbohydrates, fats and proteins present in our food. Already the food which we are taking, it is contained by the carbohydrates is there in some food, and some food they have the fats and the protein also, okay, and that present in our food, it will digested by the help of the pancreatic juice. Okay, now let us see that complete process once again. So with this the digestive system will complete. Once again I will explain you. Let us see that. So here once again I will explain you, students. The food which we will eat, it will enter through the mouth. Okay, in the mouth teeth are there. Okay, with the help of the teeth we will chew that. Again that salivary glands, they will produce liquid. Okay, salivary is there, no, saliva, we will tell it as a saliva. With the help of that saliva, it will become, the food will becomes wet and soft. Okay, and the tongue, it will helps to taste and swallow. Okay, students, now that swallowed food enters to the stomach through this esophagus, After that, in the stomach, from the stomach again it will move to the small intestine. Okay, this is the small intestine. Here inside you can see this one, and this small intestine is nearly approximately 6 meters long and narrow, and it is a coiled tube. It's looking like coiled tube. And after that, from the small intestine again the food will enter to the large intestine. Okay, again from the large intestine it will move to the means the undigested food moves in the form of the solid to the anus. Okay, and in the stomach we can see that liver and pancreas, they will help by releasing some juices. Means the liver, it will release the bile juice, and pancreas, it will release the pancreatic juice that will help in the digestion process. Okay, and at the end it will that remaining waste that faces, it will goes outside our body from the anus. Okay students, I hope you all understood this one. In next video I'll come with next lesson. Thank you.